1.
InSinkErator Badger 5. Badger series disposers are a reliable and functional choice when affordability is the prime concern, and features a compact, space-saving design that fits existing InSinkErator hardware for a quick and easy install. This garbage disposal features our exclusive half-a-horsepower DuraDrive induction motor and long-lasting galvanized steel components to ensure a dependable grind for everyday food scraps. There are more American-built InSinkErator garbage disposals in US homes than all other brands combined. A full line of models means there's one right for every need and budget. Waste King L3200. Smaller and lighter 3/4 of a horsepower design is 7 3/4 inches in diameter, 13 3/4 inches long and weighs 8.6 pounds. The 3/4 of a horsepower, 2,700 RPM, 115 volts, permanent magnet motor is sound insulated and jamsless. Easy mount for a quick and easy kitchen sink installation, removable splash guard for easy cleaning. Hertz:60. Moen GXS75C. Designed for those who frequently cook for guests and need advanced cleanup power. 2,700 RPM, 3/4 horsepower vortex motor provides fast, powerful grinding of tough food scraps and helps reduce jamming. Designed with SoundShield sound deadening insulation. Fits most existing assemblies, including other brand, includes pre-installed power cord. Compact design is lightweight for easy installation and frees up valuable space under the sink.